All right, everyone. Check how far we have come. All right. So, see what's going on? So we broke up more of the rock. This is what's going on with the project of what's going on. You saw, we started pretty much, I just want you to see this so you could see. See, we pretty much started from like that level, as you guys can see right there. And then we broke down all the way down there, which is a lot. I mean, I probably took out 500, maybe more pounds of rock out of here. Just to let you know, I mean, big chunks out of here I've taken out, okay? So we got this going on. We got this far, which is great. Really happy of what's going on. Now, I'm not going to go any more down, guys, because I feel like I went down deep enough. I measured out in front of the house, you know, the street of how low the street is in front of the house, because the driveway, you know, goes down to the street. So pretty much now, guys, how deep I dug this is exactly the level of the street in front of the house, you know, that's at the end of the driveway, okay? Which is really good, so I'm happy about that, and that's about it. So right now, guys, I pretty much dropped down to where I want to drop down. As you can see, we got that little pit down there, so I'm, you know, what's going to be efficient for me and going to work for me might not work for everybody else. But for me, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get like a culvert pipe or whatever kind of pipe I can find, because you have to buy those. I'm going to get, you know, a culvert pipe is pretty much, as you guys could see, I made the pit down there, see, a little bit wide. The goal is, guys, what we're going to do here is we're going to get a culvert pipe. We're going to stick that down there, and we're going to make slits in it. And then, you know, we're going to make that the base, put some rocks on there. We're not going to go with, you know, one of those fancy sump pump basins that you see around, because at this job, this is on top of a rock right here. We are still on top of the rock, okay? The only water that's coming in, guys, is pretty much, you know, all over on this side of, you know, of the area that you guys can see. And then over here is all rock, you know what I mean? So water comes in here a little bit, but it, you know, what I mean is, what I'm saying is, water doesn't really come up, you know, from the bottom over here. So that's a good thing that I don't have to worry about. So the pump or nothing like that is going to be falling down. I don't have to worry about it falling down or anything like that over time, because we are on top of this rock. Like I said, that's why this was a good job and a good thing to show you guys, because people are going to run into a rock when you're doing this job, and at least we saw this together. It was a little bit of work, but we did complete it. We used the jackhammer, and we used also the, you know, the cutoff wheel, and we were able to get down here and get to the desired depth of this pump, okay? So I'm really happy about that, and I just wanted to show the update of what's going on here so we could see, you know, the plan of, you know, the plan of attack of what's up. So I have some filter fabric on order. We're going to do a review on. We're going to see that as well. That's going to be here. We're going to check that out, and then I'm going to go with the river rock is what I'm thinking for the drainage in here is going to be the plan. So I'm going to go pick up, I'm going to get my hands on some river rock and put that in here, okay, and cover it around, and I think we're going to be good. It's going to be high flow. It's going to get all the water out of the undercarriage of the house here, and you know, away from the foundation, and that's really good for, you know, the rest of the house and longevity and everything around the house. You know what I mean? Won't be falling into the ground as easily. We're going to continue. I got some stuff on order, so we're going to do more reviews when we come right back, all right? And we'll test that out, have this nice setup, and we'll go from there, all right? But if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, okay? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you can support the channel by clicking on those affiliate links below. Somehow, some way, times a million, it equals into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube, which is really cool. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you come back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the items so we know we're getting a good value, and also helping my subscribers with any questions they have on the products that I did review. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. Glenn Velvet Reviews is out. Bye-bye, everybody, and I will see you later.